Governor Gavin Newsom announced some news today Californians aren't used to hearing. Fewer COVID-19 restrictions instead of more. Starting June 15th, many COVID-19 restrictions will be relaxed. KSBY's Aaron Fay breaks down what the changes mean for the Central Coast.
Just in time for summer, people will be able to hang out less than 6 feet apart and go to events like concerts and other venues, but there are a few exceptions.
So pumped. It's been a long dry spell.
Of course, everybody who's not vaccinated is just going to cruise along and then put people in danger. And honestly, that's not right.
Governor Gavin Newsom unveiled his plan to reopen California starting June 15th. He says businesses may return to usual operations with no restrictions on capacity or physical distancing. Businesses we spoke to say this will help as some had to scale back or even use their space for other purposes.
COVID testing for the Cal Poly students in the lobby.
The governor said that masking will depend on what the California Department of Public Health says.
I think it's a great time to do it right before summer. You know, if people have any objections or anything, those are the same people that could take it upon themselves to stay home.
People who aren't vaccinated should continue to wear their masks just to promote safety for everybody else.
Indoors, vaccinated people can visit with other vaccinated people maskless, except in crowded places. The CDPH currently states that vaccinated people don't have to wear masks except when going to outdoor events like concerts, festivals, and sports. Unvaccinated people are advised to wear masks outdoors anytime physical distancing cannot happen, including at events.
We cannot social distance in our business model for concerts, and again, that's why we've waited so long to do shows until we are not required to social distance.
Biggest challenge for us up until now was, the stops and the starts of it all. But now having some guidance to work towards, I think the thing that we will follow, at least at this point, is the lead of our local public health and see how our situation in Santa Barbara County fits within the state mandates.
But mega events like venues with more than 5,000 people will have to check if people are vaccinated, or attendees will need to provide a negative COVID-19 test taken 72 hours beforehand.
For people to know that you do have it and whatnot, I say you have like a certain wristbands that are designated saying that you have it if you show your ID card or whatnot.
The respect factor for that should be up, regardless of how much Gavin Newsom is opening up California.
At community testing sites, county officials told me that people can get their testing results back within 48 hours. In San Luis Obispo, Aaron Fay, KSBY News.
There are exceptions to the mask rule, and you can find out more on those rules by visiting ksby.com.